Hello students, this is our 10th lecture for lesson number 6 superposition of waves of 12th standard as per new syllabus of Maharashtra State Board. Students, previous 3 lectures we have seen that vibration of air column in a pipe closed at one end, then vibration of air column in a pipe open at both ends, and vibration produced in a string when stretched between two rigid supports. That three topics we have seen, and in these three topics we have some words are used like harmonics and overtones, natural frequency, and here in this lecture we are going to study what is meant by harmonics and overtones. So at first we have discussed that here, or we have remember that when we have considered vibration of air column in a pipe open at one end, we have seen that natural frequency for pipe close at one end, we have getting natural frequency is equal to n is equal to v upon 4l. This is the fundamental frequency or first harmonic. Then we have seen next condition whenever there is in this case we have seen that this diagram, that is half loop is formed here like this. Then next we have consider again, that is whenever there is one loop and one half loop is formed like this. For that case we have getting n is equal to 3v upon 4l. That means we can say that here, n1 is equal to 3v upon 4l. That means we can say that n1 is equal to 3 into n. That is called as the third harmonic or first overtone. That frequency is called as third harmonic or first overtone. Then next condition is that we have discussed, that is two loop is completed and one loop complete, two loop complete, and third loop is half. For that case we have getting n2 is equal to 5v upon 4l. That means we can say that n2 is equals to 5 times of n. This is called as the fifth harmonic and second overtone. This is fifth harmonic and second overtone. So see here carefully, for pipe close at one end, natural frequency or fundamental frequency is called as first harmonic. There is absent overtone. That means fundamental frequency is not overtone. Then for next condition we have getting third harmonic or first overtone, then fifth harmonic and second overtone. Next we have seen that here for pipe open at both ends. For pipe open at both ends, we have seen that we have getting natural frequency, that is N is equals to V upon twice L. This is the fundamental frequency, or it is also called as first harmonic. For second mode, we have getting N1 is equals to V by L, or N1 is equal to 2N. That's why we can say that this is second harmonic or first overtone. And for third mode of vibration, N2 is equal to 3V upon twice L. We have getting N2 is equal to 3N, that is third harmonic, and it is also called as second overtone. That is called as the second overtone. That means we have seen that here for pipe open at both ends, again at a fundamental frequency there is absent overtone. Overtone starts from second harmonic. At natural frequency or fundamental frequency, in both cases at fundamental frequency overtone are absent. Then we have discussed vibrations of mode on a stretch string. Whenever we have discussed the condition of vibration produced in a stretch string, then again we have seen that for natural frequency we have getting that formula N is equal to 1 upon twice L under root of T by M, that is called as the first harmonic or fundamental frequency. That is also called as fundamental frequency. In second mode of vibration, we have getting N1 is equal to 1 upon L under root of T by M. This is called as second harmonic or first overtone. Then N2 is equal to 3 upon twice L under root of T upon M. Here N1 is equal to twice N. Here N2 is equal to 3N. That's why we have says that here again this is third harmonic or second overtone. In these three cases we have seen that at the position of fundamental frequency there is absent of overtone. That means we have says that overtone is not at fundamental frequency. So friends, we have discussed here what is mean by harmonics and what is mean by overtone. Harmonics, the term harmonics is used when the frequency of a particular overtone is an integral multiple of the fundamental frequency. In string and air columns, the frequencies of overtones are integral multiple of the fundamental frequencies. Hence, they are termed as harmonics. All harmonics may not be present in a given sound. That means, see here carefully, for pipe close at one end, for pipe close at one end, all harmonics are not present. Here at fundamental frequency we have getting first harmonic. At second mode we have getting third harmonic, then fifth harmonic. That means for pipe close at one end we have seen that only odd harmonics are present in this case. That means here we have getting first harmonic, third harmonic, fifth harmonic, seventh harmonic, ninth harmonic, 11th harmonic, and so on. That means all harmonics may not be present in a given sound. Then next, what is meant by overtone? The tones. We know that tones means sa re ga ma pa dha ni sa. That are the tones. The tones whose frequencies are greater than the fundamental frequency are called overtones. Already we have discussed that overtones is not getting at the position of fundamental frequency. That's why here you have mentioned that the tones whose frequencies are greater than the fundamental frequency are called overtones. Overtones are only those multiples of fundamental frequency which are actually present in a given sound. The first frequency higher than the fundamental frequency is called the first overtone. The next frequency higher is called second overtone, and so on. That means जी frequency fundamental frequency पेक्षा जास्त आहे तिला फर्स्ट ओव्हरटोन म्हणतात आणि त्याच्यापेक्षा जास्त फ्रिक्वेन्सीला सेकंड ओव्हरटोन अँड सो ऑन. फ्रेंड्स, तुम्हाला हार्मोनिक आणि ओव्हरटोनचा 2 मार्काचा डिफरन्स एक्झाम मध्ये येत असतो. That is, in harmonics, the integral multiple of fundamental frequency, including fundamental frequency, are called harmonics. The integral multiples of fundamental frequency, excluding fundamental frequency, which are actually present, are called overtones. आपण हा डिफरन्स ऑलरेडी डिस्कस केलेला आहे. फंडामेंटल फ्रिक्वेन्सीला आपण फर्स्ट हार्मोनिक म्हणू शकतो, पण फंडामेंटल फ्रिक्वेन्सीला आपण ओव्हरटोन कॉल करू शकत नाही. सम हार्मोनिक्स मे नॉट बी प्रेझेंट इन सम केसेस. पाईप क्लोज ॲट वन एंडला आपल्याला ऑड हार्मोनिक्स फक्त मिळत आहेत. ऑल ओव्हरटोन्स आर ऑलवेज प्रेझेंट. फक्त फंडामेंटल फ्रिक्वेन्सी सोडली तर त्याच्यापासून नेक्स्ट मोडपासून आपल्याला प्रत्येक पोझिशनला आपल्याला ओव्हरटोन्स मिळतात. फंडामेंटल फ्रिक्वेन्सी इज फर्स्ट हार्मोनिक. फंडामेंटल फ्रिक्वेन्सी इज नॉट ॲन ओव्हरटोन. एव्हरी हार्मोनिक इज नॉट ॲन ओव्हरटोन. एव्हरी ओव्हरटोन इज अ हार्मोनिक. फॉर ट्यूब क्लोज ॲट वन एंड the harmonics present are n, 3n, 5n, and so on. For tube close at one end, the overtones present are 3n, 5n, 7n, and so on. Then all harmonics are not overtones. All overtones are harmonics. Second harmonic is always twice the fundamental frequency. Second overtone may be 3 or 5 times fundamental frequency. This is the difference between the harmonics and overtones. Thank you.